Haven't been to the drum shop in 6 weeks. Bill was busy with Urban Nutcracker, guitars for the Elder Scrolls. My retaining wall project was wrapped up in December, and then since the weather was holding out, I tackled the fence. Yeah, buddy, might actually get this one done.
Yeah, sweet. Alright, I'll do the other one.
Multiple drums in progress. Steve Weiss drum, hoop repair, restringing, shell taping.
You do it right, because you do it twice.
Hey, you ever seen one of these blow up, Bill Sr.?
Because we have.
Ludwig, done. Ready for pickup, crossed off the board. Next restoration repairs this Rogers kick. Taking it apart, giving it a sponge bath. It's probably gonna need to be buffed. Gonna try my hand at sanding the hoops, see if it's easy or if it's just buy new hoops. Wrap inlay was provided. We're missing a lug. We need to space out the lugs. We need to order tension rods.
There we go.
Hoops sanded back easier and quicker than expected, so Bill's gonna tape them up and take a crack at painting them.
Yep.
This is the inlay wrap that came in with them. Not sure where it's from. It looks like it's a reclamation from 1750.
You're not wrong.
And gonna try to buff this through the 4 grits. Rattle can, nothing but the best around here.
I think this will look alright. There we go.
It's a workout on the old paws.
It is for sure. A lot of people put bearings in these so you can just turn the drum. Like while you're doing it, you stand in one place. Which like would be really convenient, but I feel like I kind of like brace against the tension of the press a lot, you know? I don't know. I can't decide if that would be a useful upgrade or like just make this harder. But I know a few people who do it that way.
It's a nice looking drum.
Yeah.
I like how clear the shell is.
Yeah.
In contrast to the hoops.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be really cool. It's also a hardware setup we haven't done before, which I'm pretty excited about. Because it's got this pearl multi-timbral thing on that side. And having 3 separate pinch bars, I think is gonna make the adjustment on this side a lot more like reliable and accurate. So.
Oh, the Calderwood. Patent pending.
Yeah.
Okay, 7 of the 8 lugs are attached. Spacers are just your standard nuts from the hardware store. 8 plugs on order, tension rods on order, hoops are being spray painted, inlay will go in with VHB. These 2 shells over here, I'm sanding the inside. One's getting wrap, not sure what the other one's getting. Second hoop's in paint. Sinbad's pulling on his rope.
You know it. This is actually pretty tight, actually.
Ding! Alright, so this one's done. This one needs a little tweaking.
Yeah, I just have to put snares and a badge on it, and then it's done.
Drag rope.
Yeah.
Made good progress on that.
This looks way better for having been buffed. Like, that's a huge difference.
I sanded this shell pack. It needs edges oiled. The kick needs layout drilled for spurs. They all need hoops. It's a rope tension kit. I don't know what this one is, but I sanded it.
That is going to be a rope snare wrapped with white marine pearl.
Cool.
Yeah. Going to be unusual.
Pretty good progress for first day
Yeah,
back after
that was-
6 weeks.
That was a pretty solid day, actually.
I feel it. I feel it in the dogs.
Yeah, I hear ya.